Hi everyone, me, yours Daya Sankalp, is back again with something interesting. Many of my friends have asked me how to create a quiz in Telegram. So, friends, now I am making this video to explain how to create a quiz in Telegram with the help of a robotic software called QuizBot. Let's go into the video. First of all, you must be an user of Telegram. After installing and registering in Telegram app, go to search bar and first search for QuizBot. See, QUIZBOT. Search the letters QuizBot in the search bar. So here, see friends, a blue color question mark icon. Like this it appears. Just click on that and click on the message symbol. After clicking on the message system, every screen appears like this. How? See, down there is a start button. There is something. What can this bot do? Let's read. This bot can help you create quizzes with several multiple choice questions. You can add extra media or text to the questions and set a time limit. Once your quiz is done, you can share it to groups or invite users to answer the questions individually in the chat with the bot. If somebody sent you a quiz link and you got there, tap start to begin. Okay, just we have read the matter. Now I'll explain everything clearly. Whatever this matter is there, the process will be the same. See, what is this bot for? The name itself says it's a quiz bot. It explains and it helps in creating new quizzes. Okay, you created quiz. What's next? After creating quiz, what type of quiz? A quiz of multiple choice questions. Okay, you have set some questions, you have set answers. Next, we have set some extra media. If you want to add something, if you want to add something to your questions to be more interesting, you can add a photo or video or text, anything to your question. Okay, all questions are set, all answers are set. Now what's next? You have set a time limit. For example, say 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 3 minutes, 5 minutes. It's your wish. Okay, everything set, questions set, answers set, time limit set. Okay, your quiz is done. After the quiz is done, this bot creates a specialized quiz according to your desires. After creating, what should you do? If you wanna share that quiz to any of your groups, mainly many colleges will be doing this. They will be arranging some Telegram bots and organize quizzes. If you want to share to your groups, it will also help for that. Okay, you can share it to your groups, or you can start individually with yourself. You can test yourself. Okay, or you want to test your friends, you can do it also. You can share the external link. This, after successful creation of quiz, it provides an external link which you can share with a friend who is not using Telegram also. Okay, this is hi friends, this is the thing what we are going to learn in this video. Let's start. See, now I am clicking on the start button. Let's see what happens. After clicking the start button, see friends, a dialog appeared. This bot will help you create a quiz with a series of multiple choice questions. See, there are three options: create new quiz, view my quizzes, language. If you want to change your regional language, you can change it with clicking on the language. Now I am not going to say about that. Just we'll create a new quiz. Just I am clicking on create new quiz. See, another dialog appears. Let's create a new quiz. First, send me the title of your quiz. Example, aptitude test, or 10 questions about bears, something. Let's provide a title, sample mathematics quiz. I am giving the title sample mathematics quiz. Good. Now send me a description of your quiz. This is optional. You can skip this step. Yes, it is as it is optional. We can skip that step. Good. Now send me a poll with your first question. Alternatively, you can send me a message with text or media that will be shown before this question. Something warning is there. This bot can't create anonymous polls. Users in groups will see votes from other members. Okay. See, down a box appears like a create a question. So now you must start creating questions. First, what we have to do? Just click on create a question. Next, see, ask a question. Here, just type a question. Our as I gave title was sample mathematics questions. Let's go with simple mathematics equations. 2 plus 3 equal to how much? Options. Option A 6, option B 5, 3 and 2. For suppose I limit my options with 4 options. Now we have to check the correct answer. Choose one answer. 2 plus 3 equal to 5, as you all know. See, a green color tick. You must choose the correct answer, and then you must remove the setting anonymous voting. You must disable it in order to view members who have answered, and in order to develop a scoreboard you must disable it. Okay, now I have successfully created a question. 2 plus 3 equal to what? I have given options, I have removed the anonymous poll, and now I am clicking create the question. See, this is our question. Your see the dialogue. Good. Your quiz sample mathematics quiz now has one question. If you made a mistake in the question, you can go back by sending /undo. If you type the command /undo, you can edit your question again. Okay, as there is no mistake in my question, I am proceeding. When done, simply send /done to finish creating the quiz. Okay, just we have created a single question. For audience understanding purpose, I will create 4 questions and then we will stop the quiz. Let's create another question. 7 minus 5 equal to option A 1, option B 5, option A 3, 4. Okay, 7 minus 5 equal to, let's say, D. Okay, I have disabled again the anonymous voting. I have created a question. See, we have created up to 2 questions. That's what it will say. Sample mathematics quiz now has 2 questions. Okay, I'll create another question. 10 into 20 equal to how much? 150, 200, 500. None of the above. See, in the third question, we missed to disable the anonymous. So, what we will do is, I will use the command /undo. So, only 2 questions. The third question was gone. We'll again create 10 into 20 equal to we'll disable and we'll create the question. Okay, I'll limit my creation with the 3 questions. Hope everyone will understand this process. We have completed questions, we have given answers. So now what we have to do? See, when done, simply send /done to finish creating the quiz. So now I am sending the command /done done. Okay, the quiz question paper was set. Now we have to set a time limit. As these are simple questions, I will keep just 10 seconds. Then it will ask for the confirmation. Shuffle questions and answer options. If you want to shuffle only options, just click only answers. If you want to shuffle questions, just click only questions. I want to shuffle everything, so I'll click shuffle all. See friends, your quiz was successfully created. See, the title itself is in bold letters. Sample mathematics quiz. Nobody has answered till. Skip. 3 questions are there. 10 seconds time limit. See, the emoji indicates that shuffling all questions. And again, see friends, external sharing link. This link you may share to any one of your friends to make them participate in the quiz. Next, start this quiz. As soon as you click the start this quiz, the quiz will be started in your personal bot. If you want to start quiz in some other groups, say your college groups or office groups or anything else, you can click that start quiz in group and select your group, and you can start. Share quiz. You can share this quiz in Telegram or in any social media. If you want to edit your quiz again, just click on edit. That's it friends. This is the way how to create a quiz and share to your groups. Okay friends, hope you enjoyed and understood. If you have any doubts, just put up in the comment section. I will explain you. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, just hit up a like. If you want something more interesting, put up a comment. Subscribe. Thank you.